We're building something that could change children's lives. Hey everybody, Kevin Hunter here. You know, for the last 17 years, you've known me as the homework guy. You've trusted me to help you avoid bad car deals, save money, and stand up for consumers. But today, I want to tell you about something that's become one of my greatest passions of my life. It's known as Williston Kids First. It is our 501c3 nonprofit, and our mission is simple: to give children opportunities they may never have had otherwise, because every child deserves the chance to discover what they're capable of, no matter what their family's financial circumstances could be. Over the last several years, we've watched something incredible happen. Our annual Extreme Machines event has grown into one of the largest free family events in western North Dakota. We are in our fourth year. Thousands of children have climbed into helicopters, sat behind the controls of heavy equipment, met firefighters, police officers, paramedics, construction workers, farmers, truck drivers, pilots, healthcare professionals, oil field workers and their companies, and so many others. For many kids, it's the very first time they've ever imagined themselves in one of those careers. And that's exactly why we do it. Sometimes one experience, one conversation, one opportunity can change the direction of a child's entire life. But this year, we're taking an even bigger step. This fall, we're launching an educational program that already has 12 families enrolled with approximately 45 students. And I honestly couldn't be more excited about the person leading it, Elizabeth.
Oh, thank you, Kevin. Well, you know, education has always been one of my greatest passions. After all, I'm a licensed school teacher. Every child learns differently. Every child has different strengths, different gifts, different dreams. Sometimes all they need is someone who actually believes in them, encourages them, challenges them, and helps them discover just how capable they really are. That's the kind of learning environment we're building. Yes, we'll teach academics, but we're also focused on leadership and business skills, character, critical thinking, practical life skills, curiosity, and helping children to develop a lifelong love of learning. Because education isn't simply about passing a test. It's about preparing children for life with real skills. And I truly cannot wait to begin this journey with these wonderful families.
Let me tell you something about Elizabeth that many people may not know. Most of you know her from our videos. You see her smile, you see her kindness, you see her wonderful personality. But what you may not realize is just how incredibly intelligent she is. She has an amazing gift for explaining difficult concepts in ways children actually understand. Our children are the best educated kids at their age level in our area because of her. She's patient, she's compassionate, she's encouraging, and she has this incredible ability to make kids excited about learning. Honestly, if I had to choose just one person to help shape the future of my own children or any children, she'd be at the top of the list. That's how much confidence I have in her. I can't wait to watch what she accomplishes with these other families of students.
Thank you. Well, that truly means a lot. The exciting part is we're just getting started. We're dreaming big. We want to expand our educational opportunities, provide hands-on learning experiences, offer scholarships, continue leadership programs, and continue growing our Extreme Machines annual event. Create leadership programs, continue growing Extreme Machines, and then introduce children to careers they may never have considered before. But none of that happens without the support of people who believe in our mission.
And that's exactly why we're making this video today. We've launched a GoFundMe campaign that we hope you'll jump in on to help us continue building Williston Kids First. Every donation, whether it's $10, $25, $100, or even $1,000, helps provide classroom materials, educational equipment, books, science projects, student activities, scholarships, family programs, and a small stipend for our largely volunteer group of teachers, and the resources needed to keep these opportunities available to every child. Every tax-deductible donation is an investment, not in a building, not in an organization, but in children. You're helping inspire future nurses, future mechanics, future teachers, future pilots, future entrepreneurs, future farmers, future first responders, and future leaders. That's an investment that benefits all of us.
One thing I've learned over the years, children don't always remember every lesson, but they always remember the people who believed in them. They remember encouragement. They remember opportunities. They remember experiences, and sometimes those moments become the foundation for an incredible future. That's what we're trying to create, one child at a time.
If the homework guy has ever helped you, if we've ever saved you some money, helped you avoid a bad deal, or simply earned your trust over these past 17 years, today I simply ask you to consider helping us build something truly special. You can visit our GoFundMe page at gofundme.com/F/ and these words are all hyphenated. Empower kids in Western North Dakota with Williston Kids First. And we will put that link in the description box down below the video. If you're not in a position to donate today, would you do us a favor? Please share this video. Share our GoFundMe with your family, your church, your friends, your employer, or anyone who believes children deserve opportunities to succeed. Sometimes the greatest gift isn't writing a check. It's introducing this mission to someone who can help. Together, we can build something that changes lives for generations to come. From all of us at Williston Kids First, thank you for believing in our children, thank you for believing in our community, and thank you for helping us build a brighter future. We'll see you next time.